Brian O'Bannon of Morton Buildings, and here we are at yet another edition of Morton Moments. And let's take this moment to talk about a concrete door sill. Now, if you'll notice here, we've got this agricultural building at the 60 by 80. Over here, we've got a dirt floor. Over here on this side, we've got a concrete floor. And they just want to have cold storage over here on where the dirt side is. But one of the things that you'll find with sliding doors is that you always have that center door guide sticking way up out of the ground. And you also have the situation where, when you're traveling through here all the time, you're picking that dirt up and you're basically creating deeper tracks. The wind starts blowing through there, catching the door. It's just kind of a mess. And how do we prevent that? Well, we recommend that you install one of these concrete door sills. And of course, this is an option. It's not standard. However, you talk to us about it and we can definitely hook you up with getting you one of these. And basically, this right here is about 1.5 feet or so deep and about 18 inches wide, and it stretches all the way across there. And that keeps, again, the dirt from getting, moved by the traffic that keeps going out, plus the wind blowing through there. And it just makes it a lot cleaner and a lot nicer to drive up and over the top of. And so the next time you're thinking about, a building and you think that you are, wanting the highest quality possible, come talk to me. Because not only do we have the best buildings out there, we also have the best ideas on how to make your building the best experience that you could possibly want. And that's it for this time. Be sure to like and subscribe and come back next time because I have a whole lot more for you. Thank you.